Hey everybody, it's Jake once again. I'm still in Virginia, kind of close to Natural Bridge. I don't know if I'm exactly in Natural Bridge. I'm in the natural forest, and I'm checking out this Glenwood Furnace. It was built somewhere around 1850, and as you see, it's in pretty good shape. It's still standing pretty well. Now, they put metal gates in front of it. It's not a prison, it's a furnace. So they put this up obviously because I don't want people going inside. Pretty neat, pretty neat. This is another part of the adventure. I didn't even know about this. I was just driving down the road and I saw it on the side. I was like, whoa, hold, let me turn around and go check it out. Let's walk behind it to see if there's anything back here. I think it's just a furnace. There's some rock over there, pile of rock. Yep, not too much over here. But yeah, thought it might be worth a little video. It's a little steep right here. You see they go through to each side. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Well, I'm gonna keep going, see if I can find you guys some more stuff. I'm still exploring. I'm having a great Saturday. I woke up today and I was like, go do it. We got a road trip. We'll find a lot of new cool stuff. We're gonna enjoy it every step of the way. And I'm gonna keep bringing them your way. Peace out, people. Like, share, and subscribe.